Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Amazon locker code. This is essential when you've chosen to have your package delivered to a secure locker location instead of your home address, and you'll need this code to actually retrieve your items. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Orders. This section contains all your purchase history and current deliveries. Now, although I don't have any active orders at the moment, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'll see next. In your orders list, you'll need to locate and select the specific order that was sent to an Amazon locker. This is important because only orders delivered to lockers will generate the pickup code you need. Each order will display its delivery method, so look for the one showing an Amazon locker as the destination. Once you've found the right order, click on Track Package. This button gives you detailed information about your delivery status and all the essential pickup details. The tracking page is where Amazon provides everything you need to collect your package from the locker. On this tracking page, look carefully for your 6-digit pickup code. You'll also see a barcode displayed alongside it. These can appear either directly in the tracking details on the website or in the delivery confirmation email that Amazon sends you when your package arrives at the locker. The 6-digit code is what you'll enter at the locker's touchscreen, while the barcode can be scanned if the locker has that capability. With your code ready, the final step is to physically go to the Amazon locker location that's shown in your order details. The tracking page will display the exact address and sometimes even provide a map to help you find it. When you arrive at the locker, simply enter your 6-digit code on the touchscreen or scan the barcode, and the correct compartment containing your package will automatically open for you to retrieve your order. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly how to find and use your Amazon locker pickup code to collect your packages securely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.